Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Azure Key Vault to .NET App step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Key Vault section. Click on the plus Create button to set up a new Key Vault. Choose your subscription and create a resource group if necessary. Name your Key Vault and select the region closest to your application. Review the pricing tier and select either Standard or Premium as per your needs. Proceed by clicking Review plus Create and then Create to deploy the Key Vault. Once the deployment is complete, go to the Key Vault resource page. Select the Secrets option from the menu on the left. Click on plus Generate/Import to create a new secret. Enter a name for your secret and its value, then click Create. Now, open your .NET application in Visual Studio. Add the Azure Security.KeyVault Secrets NuGet package to your project. Open the appsettings.json file to store your Key Vault URL. Add a new entry for the Key Vault URL in the format Key Vault URL https://yourkeyvaultname.vault.azure.net/. Next, open the startup.cs file to configure services. In the configure services method, include dependency injection for the secret client. Use the default Azure credential to authenticate your application. Retrieve the Key Vault URL from the configuration settings. Create a new instance of the secret client using the Key Vault URL and Azure credential. Use the secret client to fetch the secret you created earlier. Store the secret value in a variable for later use in your application. To test the integration, run your application and access the secret. Check the console or logs to ensure the secret is fetched without errors. Finally, confirm that your application can utilize the secret as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.